Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make the planet effect. We will need only one plugin, links in the description below. You can use any landscape photo as long as it has lower half in the same color, such as grass or water. I choose this picture because it's difficult. As you can see, the clouds in the edges aren't matched and the buildings also. So first we have to match these edges. Go to rectangle select this part of the picture, then click copy. Create a new layer, paste it here, then reverse its direction like this. Now move it to the edge. Okay, now duplicate the layer 2, hide the lower one, choose the gradient, make sure that the color mode is on transparency mode, hide this part. Okay, now go to layer 2, select the eraser on size 200, hardness is on 0, and start to erase the sky area. You can keep the building like this, but as you can see, this building is the same as here. I want to delete it. Merge the layer down, go to image, resize, and we're going to make it square. Okay, now go to image, flip vertical, go to effects, distort, polar transformation. Select transform rectangular to polar. I will increase the scale. Now increase the quality. Click OK. As you can see, there is a hidden line there. I want it to disappear, so simply select the rectangle selection, select the area around it, click copy and create a new layer, paste it here, go to effects, blurs, Gaussian blur 4, go to eraser, erase the edge and merge down. That's it guys, very simple. And these also some pictures that I transform it, as you can see. Try it at home and give me your opinion. Did it work with you or not? If you have any problems, just type it on the comments. I'll be happy to answer you. Thank you for watching.
Let me guess. Your home?
It was. And it was beautiful. Titan was like most planets. Too many mouths